Okay, so yan, tapos na guys yung ating JBC na component, compact component system. So MX DVAR ay A9 pala. Yan, so okay na, tingnan natin. Yan, so ang issue nito walang sound. Abangan nyo na lang yung aking full video nito kung paano natin ginawa at kung ano yung sira at kung paano natin ni-troubleshoot yung issue nyan. Okay?